Quantity theory of money demand. The quantity theory of money tells us how much money is held for a given amount of aggregate income. It is in fact a theory of the demand for money. Suppose for the given aggregate income, how much money do we need? People are going to the markets to buy something, to purchase something. They need money. The question is, for the national income, how much money do we need? This is the equation of exchange. Now we are dividing this equation by V on both sides. If you divide this equation by V on both sides, you can get M is equal to P multiply Y by V. And you know that V is a constant value. So 1 divided by V, a constant. So when the money market is in equilibrium, the quantity of money M that people hold equals the quantity of money demanded MD. So we can replace M in the equation by MD. As you know that if the money market is in equilibrium, we can say that money demand is equal to money supply. We can replace M, which is money supply, by MD, which is money demand. And we are replacing 1 over V by K. K is actually the symbol which represents 1 over V. V is a constant, so 1 over V is also a constant. So we can rewrite the equation as MD is equal to K multiply PY. This equation tells us that because K is a constant, the level of transactions generated by apex level of nominal income determines the quantity of money, MD, that people demand. K is a constant, so we can say that the quantity of money demanded is determined by the fixed level of nominal income. So Fisher quantity theory of money suggests that the demand for money is purely a function of income, and interest rates have no effect on the demand for money. It means that interest rates not important to money demand. So we can conclude that the Fisher quantity theory of money suggests that the demand for money is purely a function of income. It means that the interest rate doesn't play any role in determining the demand for money. Fisher came to this conclusion because he believed that people hold money only to conduct transactions and have no freedom of action in terms of the amount they want to hold. It means that they use money only for transaction purposes. The people don't save money for precautionary purposes or some other purposes. So the demand for money is determined by the level of transactions generated by the level of nominal income PY and similarly by the institutions in the economy that affect the way people conduct transactions and thus determine velocity and hence scale. So we can say that the demand for money is determined by two factors. First one is by the level of transactions generated by the level of nominal income. And the second important point is by the institutions in the economy that affect the way people conduct transactions.